Sam.
I love it too. You got
Hey, Amelia, hold up the present. I don't have any
Andrew.
presents.
Oh, it says open
Andrew.
last.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can go ahead.
What is it anyway?
That is, it's not last.
It's not very good.
It's not very good.
It's not very good.
It's a light box.
What do you
not
think it
very
is?
How you
They
know it's
can't
not
be
good?
more
Better
than
that.
Huh?
Better
They
that.
can't be
What
more
is
than
it?
a light box. can they?
Cheez-Its, because she loves Cheez-Its.
Oh,
Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. Oh.
Oh, she likes.
That's
Oh,
it?
I got plenty of Cheez-Its for her. She didn't need that.
Oh, she
She
did.
likes the ones
She
that's
likes
got.
cheddar.
She only likes it. Is it cheddar?
Doesn't sound like Cheez-Its.
There's a Santa Claus
Oh,
kid
I'm
you and hit the
disappointed.
box. An empty
That's
box.
boring. I told you it was a boring present.
Well,
Yes.
I think you got tricked. Oh, there's a
It
card.
says, it says Amelia. I bet it's homemade card. Somebody made her a card. And you're right, you just give it to her, baby, not make all that.
I did it.
hard work for it.
I did.
I didn't do that.
I know.
You got tickets?
Oh. That is awesome, Amelia.
What's your kids?
Justin Bieber.
Feeder, feeder?
That is so cute.
He's going with you. Bless your heart. Andrew, you didn't act like that.
Why was I jumping, Logan?
What do you think, Amelia?
Look it up. Look at Mr. Jefferson. How you like it?
Who are you gonna go see? Huh?
I told you. Hey, guess, read the card. Read the card out loud.
You must have been a miracle girl. I am your Christmas gift. Amelia, Merry Christmas. I hope you love Justin Bieber because here are your tickets to see him live at his concert in Orlando. Oh, by the way, Grace got the same present. She is going with us. I am what you wish for, right? Mom loves you so much. I hope this is your best Christmas ever.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. We're so happy.
Do you know how long I've had those tickets? Since May.
Oh.
Today, I have never lied to you, Amelia. Never have I lied to you. But that day you were here, I did get them when I got on mine. I felt bad all this time, and I'm telling you that I hadn't seen them for Christmas.
Was that a good surprise?
Oh, I'm so glad.
Are you happy for me to hear?
Amelia,
That was worth keeping a secret.
who's Justin Bieber?